Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to solve question number 8 in June 21. It's a given relation. A scientist is studying the population of fish in a lake. It's a given the number of fish, which represent n, and the number of tiers is modeled by this equation. Part A, find the number of fish in the lake at the start of the study. Start of the study means t start greater than or equal to 0. So just substitute t 0 in this equation. E power of 0 is 1, e power of 0 is 1. So you will get 600 divided by 3. So the answer will be 200. Part B, find the upper limit. To find the maximum value of the exponential function, in case if we have here, just to substitute t, we have a limit. I will explain it by using limits, but just to substitute t is very large, like 100, and get the answer. If we substitute by the calculator, e 600 e to the power of 0.3 times a big value, you will get your answer 600, any big value. But let me explain it algebraically. If we divide this equation, numerator and denominator, by e to the power of 0.3t, will be like this. N is equal to, if we divide it by e to the power of 0.3t, will be 600, divided by 2 over e to the power of 0.3t plus 1. This value t is equal to infinity. So the value e to the power of infinity, a number over infinity, will be 0. This value will be infinity. A number over infinity is equal to 0. A over infinity is equal to 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1, so the maximum value will be 600. If, as I told you, substitute t is very large, you will get this value is equal to 600. Let's now look at part C. Find the time after the start of the study. When there are predicted to be 500 fish, now n is equal to 500, so we'll solve equation. N is 500 is equal to 600 e to the power of 0.3t divided by 2 plus e to the power of 0.3t. How to solve this equation? Just remove this part and name it u. Let u is equal to e 0.3t. Then 500 is equal to 600u divided by 2 plus u, cross multiplication. So 500 times 2 is 1000 plus 500u is equal to 600u. By moving it to the other side, you will get 100u is equal to 1000 divided by, so u is equal to 10. Now e to the power of 0.3t is equal to 10. To get the value of t by taking ln for both sides, you will get ln 10. Then drop the power, so 0.3t ln e, which is equal to 1, is equal to ln 10. So t is equal ln 10 divided by 0.3. So t is equal fraction ln 10 divided by 0.3 is equal 7.675. Look at the unit of t. in the question given by t years. So our answer is 7 means 7 years, and 0.675 years, we can convert it to month, approximately will be 8 months. This is the final answer for the time. This is part C. Now part D, show that dn by dt start to differentiate. If we start with n is equal to the expression 600 times e to the power of 0.3t divided by 2 plus e to the power of 0.3t. If you differentiate and get dn by dt is equal to fraction, differentiation of the numerator will be 600. Its derivative will be 0.3 times e to the power of 0.3t multiplied by denominator will be 2 plus e to the power of 0.3t minus derivative of the denominator is 0.3 e to the power of 0.3t multiplied by the numerator will be 600 e to the power of 0.3t divided by 2 plus e power of 0.3t the whole squared. I used a quotient when we have division of u over v. Find u dash times v minus v dash times u divided by v squared. Now you can simplify more. dn by dt is equal. You can simplify 600 times 0.3, answer will be 180. E to the power of 0.3t multiplied by 2 times e power of 0.3t minus 0.3 multiplied by 600 will be 180. E to the power of, when we add, multiply, will be 0.60 divided by 2 plus e to the power of 0.3t the whole squared. Then dn by dt is equal fraction. When you multiply 2 by 180 will be 360 e to the power of 0.3t plus 180 e to the power of 0.6t minus 180 e to the power of 0.6t divided by 2 plus e power of 0.3t all to the power of 2. We can remove, so the final answer is 360 e to the power of 0.3t all divided by 2 plus e to the power of 0.3t the whole squared. This is dn by dt. This is the final answer of part D. By looking at the question again, he asked to write or show that dn by dt is equal to, where is a is constant found. We already have it. This is the final answer for dn by dt, where is a is equal to 360. Part C, given that t is equal to t and dn is equal to 8, dn by dt is equal to 8 and t is t. Find the value of t to 1 decimal place. We'll use t For the final equation right here, T8, remove dn by dt and write 8 is equal to 360 e to the power of 0.3t divided by 2 plus e to the power of 0.3t, the whole squared. You can substitute by e to the power of 0.3t and write it u. So we have 8 is equal to 360 u divided by 2 plus u, the whole squared. We can divide it both by 8. So 1 is equal to 45u divided by expand for 4u plus u squared. Cross multiplication, get quadratic equation, solve it. U squared plus 4u plus 4 is equal to 45u. So u squared, move to the other side, 41u plus 4 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation, solve it, find the value of u. 1 equals minus 41 equals 4. You will get value of u is 40.9 or 0.0977. We'll use the value of u 40.9 back to e power of e to the power of 0.3t is equal to 40.9 by taking ln for both sides, by taking ln for 40.9. So 0.3t is equal to ln 40.9. By using the calculator, you can find the value of t, which is ln for 0.9 divided by 0.3. So the answer will be 12.4. This is the final answer. Thank you.